type in forms.office.com and log into your school account. Select New Quiz. Give it the title of the video that you want students to interact with. And add a new question. These are the most common question types. I type in my question, and then I add my options. If I want to add more options, I just click More Options. Next step is to mark the option that is actually the correct response. You hover over it, and then you come here. If you want to offer feedback, you click on this. This is feedback, to offer feedback to the students. If you want to give them a hint at a missed option, I use the feedback to say, think about blah, blah, blah. Then I can add another question. Another variation of the choice question is when there are multiple right answers. Toggle this switch right here, and then you can have multiple right responses. This allows for a more complex answering format that makes the check for understanding deeper. You can also put an open-ended question that isn't necessarily scored, just to kind of check the students how they're feeling. You toggle on long answer, and there you go. You can keep on going as long as you want, but it's probably best practice to keep the interaction short. When you've completed that, you might want to choose a theme that matches your feeling, and then you click Share. At this point, you're going to need to copy this link URL and paste it over in Stream, which we will go over in the next video.